So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that PQRS is a square. So you can see that this P, this Q, this R, this S, this is a square. And AB is equal to 185 centimeter is given, and AC is equal to 148 centimeter is given, and BC is equal to 111 centimeter is given. So this is AB, which is 185 centimeter, and this is AC, which is 148 centimeter, and this is the BC, which is 111 centimeter, and PQRS is a square. And then we have to find the value of x plus y plus z. So x is this length, y is this length, and z is this length. So we have to find the summation of all threes. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So you look this figure here. Let A be the side of the square. So initially I assume like PQRS is a square, so we can assume A be the side of the square. So this is equal to this and is equal to this and is equal to this. So all sides are equal in the square, so all are equal to A. We can say that. Now in the problem there are three values are given. One is 148, one is 111, and one is 185, and these are the side of the triangle. But in the problem it is not directly given which type of triangle it is, but if you do the square of this plus square of this, it will come like equal to square of this, like AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. So it will come like in the form of right angle triangle. So from this property we can directly see that it is a right angle triangle. It is not explicitly given in the problem, but by doing the square and seeing this thing, we can easily say that this is a right angle triangle, and here angle C is 90 degree. So this angle we find out as 90 degree. Now uh, further we proceed by the similarity of the triangle thing. Like if you look at the triangle ABC and APS, so this is A, this is B, this is C. So this is the ABC triangle, and this is A, this is P, this is S. So this is APS triangle. So now let me draw. So this is ACB, where angle C is 90 degree, and here you can see that angle P is 90 degree. So this. So now you can see that this angle is 90 degree, which is common in both of them, and this angle A is common in both the triangles. So if two angles are equal, then this third angle is also equal, and these two are similar triangles. So we can do the ratio of the side equal. So if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of the sides are equal. So we can apply that property, and we can write like this: AS divided by AB is equal to this AP divided by AC is equal to PS divided by BC. PS divided by BC. So we can do this thing. So now uh, what is the value of AP and AC? So AP we know in the figure it is X, and AC we know in the problem it is given as 148. PS we assume the side of the square is equal to A, and BC we know it is given as 111. So from this we can get one relation between X and A, and it will come like this. So by the property of the similarity between the triangle ABC and APS, we find out this relation. Now you again look the triangle ABC and BQR. Now the ABC is this and BQR is this triangle. So if you look at these two triangles, so let me again draw the triangle ABC. So here at the point C it is 90 degree angle, and another triangle is BQR. This is B, this is Q, this is R. So at the point Q, here it is 90 degree. So now you see this angle B and this angle B is common in both of them. This angle is 90 degree. So this angle, if two angles are equal, then third is also equal. So this thing. So these two triangles are also similar, and we can do the ratio of the side equal. So here we can see that this AB divided by this BR. So this AB divided by BR is equal to this AC by RQ. So AC by this QR and RQ both are same. So this, and similarly BC by BQ. So this is BC and this is BQ. So we can equate the ratio of the side. And now you see this AC by QR value. So AC in the problem is given as 148, and QR, we know this is the side of the square which is equal to A, and BC by BQ value. So BC is given in the problem as 111 and BQ is this Y value. So from here you can get one relation between Y and A. But previously we get one relation between X and A, and in this we get one relation between Y and A. So now you can also see that this thing plus this thing plus this thing is equal to 185. So AP plus PQ plus QB is equal to 185. AP we know X value in terms of A we calculated, this is A, and Y value we also calculated in terms of A, and it is equal to 185. So from here this is one equation in A, so you can solve for A. A is the only variable in this equation, so A after solving is come as 60 centimeters. So we now know the value of A. Now there is one another thing. So this APS triangle plus this PQRS plus this BQR and plus this CSR. So sum of all this area like APS, PQRS, BQR and CSR. So sum of all this area is equal to the triangle area ABC. So ABC is this big triangle, and the sum of APS, PQRS, BQR and CSR area are equal to the ABC triangle area. We can easily see that. So now this is right angle triangle. So what is the area? Half times this AC times this BC. So we can write the triangle area is equal to this. And then what is the APS triangle area? Here it is also right angle triangle. So half times X times this side of the square, which is A, and that value is 60 centimeter. So then what is the this BQR? Though half times this Y times A. So this is also a right angle triangle. And PQRS is square, so A square, which is 60 times 60, and then CSR, this half times this base is the side of the square, which is 60, and this perpendicular height is given as Z in the problem. So this is Z. So from here you can put the value of AC and BC like 148 and 111, and it will come like this will come like 30x, and this will come like 30y, and this will come like 30z, and this will 3600. So now after simplifying it will come like 30x plus 30y plus 30z is equal to 4614, and if you divide by 30 it will come like x plus y plus z is equal to 153.8 centimeters. So in this way we can solve this.